I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have right access and the correct branch. Open the repository locally or in the GitHub web editor, and make sure you fetch and pull the latest changes so you edit the current state. Once done, create or switch to a feature branch to isolate your update. This prevents conflicts on main. You do this now because small, focused branches make reviews and rollbacks far safer and faster than editing main directly. You edit the file with intention. Change only what's necessary and add a clear commit message explaining why. Then run your test suite or linting tools so you catch issues early. Make adjustments until tests pass. After that stage the file, commit with a concise but descriptive message, and push your feature branch to origin. Once pushed, open a pull request so reviewers can see the diff. This step preserves auditability and enables collaboration. You create a pull request, selecting the correct base branch and adding reviewers with context in the description. After reviewers comment, respond and make follow-up commits. When appropriate, squash or rebase to keep history clean. Once approvals and CI checks succeed, merge using the chosen strategy, and then pull the updated main branch into your local repo so you're in sync. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: revert the merge or use git reflog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.